Hey YouTube, long time seller here. I'm here at the storage place to pick up my locker, and I'm going to go in here and pay, and I'm going to take you for the grand opening, and let's see if I win or lost. I don't know, I got a bad feeling about this. It's the packages show China Post and like it might be new product, but I don't know. I just got a little uneasy feeling about this one. I bought a lot of lockers, and that's the first time I've had this feeling in a while. I might have just lost my ass, but all right, let me go in and pay, and we'll see what we got. All right.
Hey.
Okay. Hey, appreciate it.
Yeah, not a problem, man. Hey, like I said, just give me a call whenever you're done. I'll open this gate right here, and you can head out this way, okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna load this all up right now. So.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back to the office so I can open it remotely for you.
Oh, it's recording right now. So. You got it. Yep. All right, YouTube. Here's this locker I bought. I bought it because of these mail post packages here. This looks like it might be new product. That says candles, that says fragile, so I'm not sure what we got here, but I'm going to open it up and start opening it up and going through this, see if I won or lost. I got a bad feeling about this. This feels like a bag of rocks. You gotta get a tool out of the car. This is junk. This is a bag of trash. I had a feeling I was going to lose on this one. This says DVD stand. I got somebody's house. I didn't get a business. They taped it all up, and it's looking like that's a picture in papers. Fragile. I got a feeling I lost my ass on this one, YouTube. This is clothing. This is somebody's house, and it doesn't look like a very nice house either. Not worth anything. This is a drum. Sword, I don't know. Well, I'm hauling off somebody's junk. That's books. That says bedroom. Bunch of candles and knickknacks. This is a computer. It says PC Tower on it. Now this isn't, these are tarot cards. These actually sell very well. It depends on the brand. So maybe there'll be something in here I can salvage, but I'm not expecting a lot of value out of this locker. Video game. like maybe somebody's desk. This is a lot of personal stuff. I'm not seeing a lot of value. I am going to be hard pressed to make my money back on this one. I've got a helper here today, and I bought a load of junk. Computer parts. I mean, they wrapped this stuff up, and the reason I bought it is because the way it was wrapped, I was expecting maybe new product. All right, these are actually computer parts here. I might be doing okay if this is new here. This is a gaming hard drive here. Nope. A bunch of parts, but it does leave me optimistic that maybe if the computer's good, if this is a gaming tower, I could make my money back. If there's games in here, I should make my money back. I just don't like finding. Sometimes when you find one with a bunch of parts, it depends on if it's a tweaker or an actual gamer, if you're going to make any money off of it. More hard drives here. Well, I'll tell you what I'm going to have to do. There's a bunch of hard drives. These are just computer parts in here. Shoes right there. Bedroom junk. And clothing. Well, it's like I just lost my ass, but I don't know. I'm gonna load all this stuff up, get it to the warehouse, go through it. I'm gonna pull stuff out and see if I can at least break even on it. All right, see you in a few.